Hey everybody, welcome champions. So let's talk about it. What is an affiliate? What's affiliate marketing? And how do you start your Amazon Associates program, affiliate program, right? So we're going to go in really quickly. This is not going to be long at all. I'm not one of those ones that's, it got to be long drawn. Let's just listen up real quick. Okay. And affiliate marketing is where you showcase someone else's product. You get a link. You get to put that link out there on your social media sites, on your website, on your blog, wherever you want to put it, or you can just send it directly to someone that you know. And guess what? You get paid. That's right. You get paid. So a lot of people love the Amazon affiliate, right? And you can become one for free. Yes, this is the best way that you can start to earn some income. And it's up to you of how much you earn. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into it. Now, let me go in a little bit further before I show you a few little slides. So what you would do is get an Amazon account. Once you got your Amazon account, then you would sign up for the affiliate program, and I'm going to show you exactly where you sign up at. Now, let me go in a little bit deeper. Amazon wants to know that you have a social media presence, right? Like if you're a YouTuber, if you have Instagram or TikTok, Facebook, one of those, you're good. If you already have a website, you're good. Okay. But I think the easiest way to do it is to, if you already have like YouTube or one of the social media sites, it's very simple. So you're just going to go through the information, put in all of your information, and everything else is going to be pretty simple. All you got to do is just put that information in. They're going to send you an ID code, a store code, and all you have to do is click a couple of little buttons and you have your link. All right, so hold on real quick. I'm getting ready to show you a few little slides and we're going to go from there, okay? All right. All right, you're here at Amazon. Go to Make Money with Us, then go to Become an Affiliate. Then you open up your Amazon, whether it's you're signing in or you're creating an account, because who knows, you may not have one yet. Then make sure that you go to your app store and download this for your phone. You always want to have it to be mobile. Then it's going to show you where you can sign in securely. And then you're going to be able to put in your phone number or your email. And then you're going to pick the product that you want to put out there and tap it right here with this little button. Then you're going to see where it says copy your associate link. Do that. And then do an advertisement. Make an advertisement for that product. Okay, wasn't that easy? All right, so listen, that's how you become an Amazon affiliate. And if this helped you, it was very simple. If this helped you, please let me know in the comment section below and share this out to other people who may want to learn how to get this done very simply and quickly. Also, you may want to think about this. Get going as soon as possible. You want at least 3 people purchasing your items within 180 days. So make sure you look at all of the fine print. Okay? All right, let's get it. Let's go. All right, talk to you later.